This Ayurvedic healthcare player has transformed its Bhopal clinic into a 52-bed hospital, strengthening its footprint in India's fast-growing wellness sector. With 60.6% year-on-year revenue growth and aggressive plans to add 600 more hospital beds, the company is targeting Rs 1,000 crore revenue by FY28. Its stock has also surged from just Rs 152 to 1,675 in the last 2 years, giving the investors a whopping 1,000% return. Stay tuned to uncover this emerging healthcare leader. Hey there and welcome to another exciting edition of Noisemaker, where we cut through the market noise to uncover hidden gems in the stock market. I am Nishant Prasad, Equity Research Analyst at Desvelado Advisory. In today's segment, we analyze 3 companies making strategic moves that could fuel their long-term growth. As always, this is not a buy or sell recommendation of any sort. Today's lineup includes Paras Defense and Space Technologies Ltd, SBFC Finance Ltd, and Jeena Sikho Lifecare Ltd. First company, Paras Defense and Space Technologies Ltd, operates in the defense and space engineering sector, focusing on high-end defense optics, missile systems, and electronic solutions. The company recently secured a Rs 152.31 crore order from the Ministry of Defense, Government of India, to develop and integrate a laser-based anti-drone system. Financially, Paras Defense reported a 13.5% year-on-year revenue growth, reaching Rs 261.7 crore in FY24. Its EBITDA margin is currently at 20.1%, showing operational efficiency. Looking ahead, the company has acquired a license to manufacture light machine guns and is investing Rs 12,000 crore in an optics park in Navi Mumbai to expand its advanced manufacturing capabilities. This move could boost long-term profitability, as high-tech defense components typically carry high margins. Next company, SBFC Finance, is a non-banking financial company specializing in MSME and gold loans. The company recently recorded its highest ever stock delivery volume at 83.14%, signaling strong investor interest. On the financial front, SBFC delivered 13.7% year-on-year revenue growth in FY24, reaching 1,019.7 crore. Financing margin expanded 400 basis points to 32% in FY24, driven by cost efficiencies. Looking forward, the company aims for 5 to 7% quarter-on-quarter growth while maintaining a 15% ROE target by FY26 to FY27. Third company, Jeena Sikho, is a leading Ayurvedic healthcare provider expanding into hospital infrastructure and over-the-counter wellness products. The company recently upgraded its Bhopal clinic into a 52-bed hospital, strengthening its healthcare footprint. Financially, Jeena Sikho posted 60.6% year-on-year revenue growth, with margin improved 600 basis points to 28.6% in FY24. Looking ahead, the company plans to add 600 more hospital beds across Nagpur, Gorakhpur, and Guwahati in the next 6 months. Now, let's review some of our previous picks. Jubilant Ingrevia Limited, covered at 676, is now at 696.8, up 3.1%. Sinors Pharmaceutical Limited, covered at 565, is now at 633, up by 12%. Anupam Rasayan Limited, covered at 808, is now at 780.5, down by 3.4%. HEG Limited, covered at 385, is now at 417.5, up by 8.4%. Lemon Tree Hotels Limited, covered at 127.1, is now at 137, up by 7.9%. Lastly, summary of today's recent filing. Paras Defense and Space Technologies Ltd secured a 142.3 crore DRDO order and announced a 12,000 crore optics park investment for defense optics manufacturing. Second, SBFC Finance Ltd recorded its highest stock delivery volume, 83.14%, signaling investor accumulation. And the last company, Jeena Sikho Lifecare Ltd, expanded into Bhopal clinic into a full-fledged hospital and aims for Rs 1,000 crore revenue by FY28. That's a wrap for today's Noisemaker. For more details, check out the full report in the description below. Stay ahead, stay informed.